So today's gonna be just a really quick, short video. I'll show you that real quick. That's the last thing I did. Max, leave that. Look, guys, how pretty is that? How cute. Look at that. That's this one. It's so pretty. This is the first time ever that it flowers for me. Well, I've only had it probably, it's gonna be a year now probably. I got this during yard sales off the road in the sidewalk. There was a bunch of them, and I just took, I think it was one paddle, and then all these paddles came out. And look, there's that one and that one. Super excited. I know that these come in different colors, and I'm really happy that I got a yellow one. So pretty. This one is a different kind. This one will only give you like, I'm sorry, it's not focused, little ones, and it's red. And it doesn't really look like a full flower. So yeah, but I'm excited about that. Anyways, in today's video is an unboxing that I just got. So let me show you that. Guys, so this was sent to me by a subscriber. She was so sweet to send it to me. I'm looking for scissors. She knew that she had shown me that she found dolphins, string of dolphins for $3. I was like, whoa, what a steal. And I offered to send her the money, but she said no, that it was a gift. I did send her the label for the box. So yeah, that made it better. But I am so happy that she took the time to go buy it for me and gift it to me and ship it out to me. So that was very, very sweet of her. Oh wow, and it's a good size for $3, guys. Look at that. Look at how plump they are. So pretty. So pretty. She did a great job packaging it well too. And look at that. That's, I guess, from where it is. From where she's at. So that was really nice of her. So excited to have it. I don't have it. So I had a little piece, but it did not make it. So I'm really excited to have this. And now let me show you the two plants that I got for Mother's Day. This one right here, let me open it with you guys. I still had to take it out the package. I mean, I can see what it is, right? I'll just go ahead and clip it. I think this is the rainbow cactus, and I had this, well, I do have it, but it looks nothing like when I first got it because I never repotted the pot, and I left the babies on there, and I don't know what happened. It's like the babies sucked the life out of the main plant, and also the pot being so small, so I think that's what happened. So she gave it to me in this pot, really pretty. She made this pot for me. So I know that she, wanted me to keep it in this pot, but in order for me to have these beauties to continue to grow, I'll have to repot it and put it in a bigger pot so that what happened to my other one does not happen. I do have a video on it, on me removing the pups, but I'll show you. This is, originally it was like this or possibly bigger, and I ended up with this, and that's very small. So yeah. So I'll have to repot this and put in a different plant. Probably that's something that stays compact will be ideal so that I can just keep it in there. Then my sister-in-law, that was my niece, and then she gave me the cute little hedgehogs as well. These cute little things to go with it. So cute. She's so sweet, my niece. She's 19, and I'm very proud of her. She's a good young lady. So, and then this, my sister-in-law gave me these. She did not know if I have these. To my knowledge, I don't. I do have similar ones that look like this, but they're not as big. They're not as thick or anything like that. I'll possibly repot this so that I can add turf this, and also possibly put it in a terracotta pot just because it's a chunkier plant, and I want it to be able to, for the soil to dry as quickly as possible. So that's what I'll do. Anyways, that was it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed your Mother's Day. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.